I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Amazon Ring video doorbell. So this is a doorbell that replaces your existing traditional doorbell. You can see the footprint of where my old doorbell used to be, and it adds a lot of really great smart features. So the first thing, and probably the most obvious, is that it has a camera on it. And the idea here is that if somebody walks by your door, so motion is detected, or if they actually press the button on the Ring doorbell, then you will get a notification on your phone, and that camera will be capturing an image of that person. And it's a very wide angle, so it can see, in a lot of cases, your whole kind of entryway, even potentially down to your front step here, so it can see if somebody puts a package down or if somebody takes that package. And that's one of the ideas of having this camera, is that it provides you with some security, because if somebody walks off with one of your packages, then you have a video or at least an image of that happening, and you can report that and pursue that appropriately. So that's an advantage there. It's also great to know who's at your front door, so you can pull up the feed on your phone or on your Echo device, and you can see the feed from that camera and see who's outside. And it does have night vision, so even if somebody's out there at night and you don't have exterior lighting, you can still get that image of who is at your front door. And again, it distinguishes from just motion detection versus if somebody actually presses this button. And the button at night is lit up. It's hard to see during the day, but it's this nice round glowing circle. So it makes it really obvious that it's there for people to press. And most people are familiar, I find, with Ring doorbells, especially delivery people. The other nice thing with it is that it will tell you on your phone if somebody presses the button or walks by, no matter where you are. So maybe you're traveling, maybe you're out of the house and you're expecting a delivery. You can see when the person arrives, or if there's somebody at your front door. Even if they don't press the doorbell, just it'll detect that motion and give you that alert. And you can actually see the live feed from the camera while they're still there and talk to them through the Ring doorbell from the Ring app. So you can say, okay, leave that package, or if you see somebody skulking around, you can, say, leave my property, whatever you want to do with that. Obviously, there's some privacy considerations with a camera at your front door, just to be aware of that if you're using that app. And another nice thing with the Ring is that you can actually power it in a couple of different ways. So one option is that there's a battery inside of this Ring doorbell, and it'll run for a couple of weeks, I find, just on that battery. So if you don't have power at the front door, or you don't feel comfortable wiring this into your home's electrical system, then you can just use that battery, and you just basically unscrew the screw on the bottom here, pop the front off, pull that battery out, recharge it every couple of weeks. You'll get an alert when it's running low on battery, so it's easy to know when to do that. And then you can charge it back up and put it back in and have your Ring doorbell ready to go. You can even get multiple batteries so that you're able to always keep one in there and always have that security function. The other option, what I've done, is that you can actually hardwire this into your home's electrical system, and then the existing wiring, if it's compatible, from your old doorbell will actually charge that battery continuously, and then you don't need to be taking it out to recharge it. And so I actually hired an electrician to do that. It was very simple. It took them all of about 10 minutes. There's some wires that were coming out of the wall. They tested the voltage to ensure compatibility and then connected it into electrical contacts on the back of the doorbell, and we are good to go. I've been using this for over a month now, and I haven't had to recharge it at all. And the other nice thing is that it is really easy to install. It comes with a mounting kit, and you're basically just screwing it into the wall from the inside here. Took me probably half an hour to put together, and it comes with the screwdrivers and screws and mounting templates and levels and everything that you need to get this mounted perfectly on your wall. So even if you're not super handy and you're just going to use that battery function, you just want to replace a doorbell with the Ring, it's very easy, I found, to go ahead and do that. So that's my Ring video doorbell.